Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 38, multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number using mental computation, estimating a product, and multiplying three single-digit numbers. So let's say I have 40 plus 40 plus 40. Let's write a multiplication number sentence for this addition problem. So what I have is 3 groups of 40. So I would write that as 3 times 40. Or 3 groups of 40. I can find the answer using mental computation. I know that 3 groups of 4 is the same as 12. That means that if 3 groups of 40 is the same as 120. Okay. So to find the answer we can find the answer quickly because we can multiply the 3 and the 4 and then just add a 0. Because 40 is a multiple of 10, and 10 has 1 0. All right, what about 8 times 70? Well, 8 times 7, or 8 groups of 7, is 56. So that 8 groups of 70 is 560, because I can just have to add a 0 at the end. Okay, what about 6 groups of 60? Well, 6 groups of 6 is 36, and then I add a 0 at the end. So it's 360. 4 groups of 80, well, 4 groups of 8 is 32, and then I add a 0 at the end. So it's 320. Okay. What about 2 groups of 90, or 2 times 90? Well, 2 times 9 is 18, and we add a 0 at the end, 180. Okay. 7 times 60, 7 times 6 is 42, and we add a 0 at the end, so it's 420. 9 times 70, 9 times 7 is 63, and we add a 0 at the end, so 630. 5 times 8 is 40, and then we add a 0 at the end, so 5 times 80 is 400. Okay, so let's say I've got 3 teams, Team A, B, and C, and each team has money. Okay. So Team A has 3 people and each person has $82. Team B has 4 people and each has $63. And Team C has 7 people and each has $34. So let's estimate to see how much money each team has. So each person on Team A has about $80. Okay, and there are 3 people on the team. So 3 groups of $80 equals $240. Let's look at Team B. Well, 63 is really close to $60, and then I have 4 people in each group. So 4 times 60 equals 240. Let's do the last one. Now, Team C has $34, which is really close to 30, and there's 7 people. So 7 groups of 30 equals $210. So Team A or B will have the most money. We're not sure which one yet. So we're going to multiply using mental computation to find out which team has more money. Okay. So what we're going to do is for Team A, they had 3 times $82. Okay. 3 groups of 82 is the same as 3 groups of 80 plus 3 groups of $2. Okay. We can split up the second number, the 8 and the 2, into 2 pieces. Okay. So 3 groups of 80 is 240. Plus 3 groups of 2 is 6. So 240 plus 6 is $246. Okay. All right. So let's figure out how much Team B has. So Team B has 4 groups of $63. Okay. So we can split this up into 4 groups of $60 plus 4 groups of $3. Okay, so 4 groups of $60 is 240, and 4 groups of $3 is 12. So $240 plus $12, scoot this over a little bit, equals $252. So Team B has the most money. All right, so let's practice multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Here we have 9 times 28. First, we're going to estimate to find the answer. So 9, we can round up to 10, and 28 we can round up to 30. So 10 times 30 equals 300. So my answer should be somewhere around 300. Okay. All right, let's find the actual answer. So 9 times 28 we can split into 9 times 20 plus 9 times 8. 9 times 20, 9 times 2 is 18 and add a 0, plus 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, so 180 plus 72. Okay, so we have 100 plus, we do 8 plus 7, which is 15, or 150 plus 2. So we end up with 100 plus 150 plus 2, which equals 252. So our number is a little bit off, but it's still pretty close to 300. Okay. All right, let's do another one. 4 times 73. Well, this is the same as 4 times 70 plus 4 times 3. 4 times 70 is 280 plus 4 times 3 is 12. 280 plus 12 is 292. Okay. All right, and we go back to money. So 7 times $34. So this is the same as 7 times $30 plus 7 times $4. Okay. So 7 times $30 is $210. And 7 times 4 is $28. 210 plus 28 equals $238. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck. Oh, nope, we've got one more part. Hold on, I forgot. The last part is multiplying by 3 digits. When we multiply by 3 digits, we can just go one to the other if we would want to. Okay, so I can just do 2 times 3, which is 6, times 4 is 24. Another way I can do this is to find which ones we can multiply to get the number the easiest. So I could do 3 times 4 first, which is 12, and then times that by 2, which is 24. Or I can do it the way that I did. Okay, what about 2 times 5 times 6? Well, on this one, it's easiest to do 2 times 5 first. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we times that by 6, and that equals 60. Hey, what about 2 times 4 times 8? Well, 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 8 is a double, which I know is 64. Okay, all right, what about this one? We have 3 times 3 times 7. Well, 3 times 3, I know, is 9, and 9 times 7 is 63. This last one we have 8 times 9 times 0. Now remember, anything times 0 equals 0. So I know this one is just 0. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.